In previous part, I explained to you how natural propagation happens in the plants. Now, in vegetative propagation, second type that is called artificial vegetative propagation. Now we discuss about this artificial vegetative propagation. Artificial vegetative propagation means what? So we can produce new plants by the vegetative parts of the plants artificially. If we produce new plants by vegetative parts of the plants artificially, that is said to be artificial vegetative propagation. Then how? There are some methods are there. Okay, there are three methods available to conduct artificial propagation. First method is called cutting method. Second method is called layering. Third method is called grafting. Okay, first cutting method. In this method, a small plant branch is taken. That branch of the stem is made into small pieces. Then every piece is sown in the soil. Later water is supplied. Then the small piece which is sown in the soil maybe develops and forms new leaves, flowers, etc. So this is called cutting method. Example, when we see example, maybe rose plant, rose. Suppose we take one rose plant. Suppose this is a pot. In this pot, suppose imagine there is one rose plant is growing. There is a rose plant. Okay, we know to the branches, leaves present and flowers are also present. Okay, during cutting method, what we conduct? First, one stem is selected, one branch is selected. To this branch, how many leaves are there? All the leaves are to be separated, and the flowers also separated. After separating that branch, after removing all the leaves and flowers, that branch is cut off from the plant and separated. Later, this branch of the rose plant is made into small pieces with the help of knife. So it is cut off. So that maybe pieces will come. These pieces are said to be cuttings. So like that, so many cuttings are to be created. So here only four or five appearing. Like that, so many cuttings are to be produced. Later, on the ground, one place is selected. Then on the selected place, all these cuttings are to be sown in the soil. How sown? Half maybe outside present, remaining half may be inside the soil present. Like that, all the cuttings are to be inserted in the soil. How that means? Half appears to up, remaining half is inside in the soil, like that. So all the cuttings are to be inserted in the soil. How like means half appearing to outside, remaining half may be lay in the ground or soil. After inserting all the cuttings in that area, later it is watered. The total area is fully watered. Then daily, regularly water is supplied to this area of the land. After 10 days to 15 days, then every rose is cutting maybe produces small leaves. Then this cutting also maybe produce small leaves. This also maybe produce small leaves. This also. Like that, all the cuttings maybe then starts to produce new plants. That means it turned as a plant. It formed as a plant. It was a plant. Like that, at a time, so many plants are to be then produced. So this method is called cuttings method. So through cuttings method, we can produce number of plants at a time, even within short time also. So it is a artificial method. So creating so many cuttings in the branch, then all the cuttings are to be inserted in the soil, which is in wet condition. Later water is giving regularly, maybe morning and evening, regularly water is giving. Then all these cuttings will grow and produce new flowers and leaves. Then, then we can say that within short time, number of plants are to be growing at a time. This is also reproduction. This is also propagation. This is artificial vegetative propagation. Then second method, layering method. In this method also we can produce number of plants. Then how? In this method, without cutting the stem, we can produce new plants. Then how? Then layering method. Generally this method is conducted mostly in jasmine plant, merium plant, etc. Then what is conducted? Suppose here also we take one, potted plant. And one potted plant we are taking, maybe one stem, one branch, this one branch, here is a branch, like that so many branches are present to the plant. Then any one branch is selected, so that branch which is nearer to the ground, that is selected. So for example, it is very nearer to the ground, so it is selected. After selecting one branch, all the leaves are to be removed. Even if flowers are there, flowers are also removed, everything that is removed. Later, just nearer to this part in the ground, one small pit is created. A small pit. By removing the soil, a small pit is created. In the pit, in this pit, water is poured. Later, this selected branch then is bent towards this pit, and kept in the pit like this. So that this branch is bent toward the pit and kept in the pit like this. Then this remaining part again closed by soil. Is closed by soil. Then maybe one stone that is kept as a heavy load. One stone here kept. Now regularly water is giving to this part and to this potted plant also. After some time, maybe 15 days or 20 days, then this part of the plant then starts to produce leaves, new leaves, then flowers, everything. Why means from this part of the stem, maybe roots are to be initiated, then it grows afterwards. Even when we cut off this stem here, then it can grow as a separate plant also. So this method is called layering. Why means the part which is growing here, that is called layer. So that by preparing a layer, we are producing new plant. So that this method is said to be layering method. Okay, now next method, grafting method. Through this method also we can produce new plants. Then what is grafting method? How we produce new plants? If we need specific characters in any species of plants, we can use this grafting method. Example, mango, guava, etc. Then how? For example, we take guava plants. Suppose imagine two types of guava plants are available. Two types of guava plant. Suppose a guava plant, one branch, another branch. So it is a guava plant. It is also guava plant. So two guava plants are to be taken. To this guava plant, which type of characters present means to this guava plant, then maybe that fruits will come small in size. So small size fruits. Taste may be heavy, high taste. To this guava plant, small size fruits, high taste that is produced. To this guava plant, and which characters present when we observe? Size is very big. So very big size fruit. Then taste is very low taste. Yeah. So that, but we know we want big size fruit with high taste. We want big size fruit with high taste. Then how can we produce such type of fruits, guava fruits that we, so we need big size fruit with a heavy taste. Then how can means, so these two plants, then this plant stem is selected, this stem is selected, both brought nearly, then at this here some small cutting, to this branch small cutting there, where the cuttings are created in the two stems, that stems brought nearly and made them contact. Now here, then tied, this part is tied tightly. So that this stem where cutting is created, this part of the stem where cutting is created, both are joined together, then that part is tied tightly with a thread, and it is left. Now, so that after some time what happens, that is, after some time what happens means, then we cut this plant here, this stem here cut off, then this plant, this part here cut off. Now this plant part is here growing, here there. Now this part starts to grow for after some time and gives leaves, everything also. That means this plant part grows on the other plant. I mean here both are mixed together. Here both are mixed together, then it starts to grow gradually. Here we are cutting. Then this plant stem here cutting. Now this plant stem here growing gradually. Then this part gives then combined characters of fruits, sweet, everything. So that here we get big size fruits with heavy taste also. So this method is called grafting method. So if we want a desirable characters in any species of plants, then two varieties of plants are to be taken. Then the two varieties of plants are to be mixed or joined together, making and preparing new characters in them. So this method is said to be grafting method.